Falls Day of Fun on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Falls Day of Fun!
Connor! Okay, so today there is 4 children and 1 me, and we are at Peppa Pig at Legoland in Winter Haven. So my best friends live over here, and it's the last week of summer vacation for the kids and they have to work, so I agreed to help out and have their kids today with mine. So we are going to go and tackle Peppa Pig and go on the rides and the splash pads, so hopefully I'll get to film some good stuff and see how it is for a solo parent with 4 children at Peppa Pig. Help me! Yep, I got my little helpers in tow and it just said teamwork. The girls, bless them. So standard parking was $30 and then preferred was $50, and if you're in the preferred, I believe you go under these little shelter bits so your car doesn't get super duper hot. But we're only going to be here for a few hours, so not worth it. Tickets today, I actually can't remember how much we paid. Connor and Clara actually have annual passes, but my kids and I just did day passes. I think it was like probably around $100 each. It was okay. Not quite Disney prices, and I think that probably is different in different times of the year as well. We can hear the music already. This way. We're all going to hate this song by the end of the day. Just me. Onto the roller coaster.
Excited, buddy?
So this might just be me being completely incompetent, but the website I found slightly tricky when I was buying the tickets, and somehow, very echoey, I managed to buy the wrong tickets. I bought Legoland, not Peppa Pig. I didn't see the differentiation on the website, but maybe I just wasn't paying attention. However, they were really helpful here and just said that they would refund the Legoland tickets and I could buy new Peppa Pig ones. So it was $189, I think, for me and the 2 children, and then I bought the other 2 kids tickets. It was $126. So the customer service apparently wasn't great on the phone or online, but they were great here. So Kristen did have trouble trying to sort the tickets out online, so we just bought day passes and we'll figure it all out later. So we're on the roller coaster. So if you are over 42 inches, you're allowed to ride alone. So I have Arlo and Claire and Connor and Sienna in front of me, and I'm on my own. Woo! So you go around this place. Good, guys?
Yeah! We've been on that like for years.
We had a hoot. That was really good, and there was no wait time. They were all happy.
Splash Flags last. Ride. Oh, wait, you want to go to on the blue ride or the up down ride?
The roller coaster is in Peppa's house. We came to the balloon ride, and it's only 4 people per balloon, unfortunately, but this really nice lady offered to take 1 or 2 of the kids with her, so the kids have made new friends, and I have Sienna and Connor with me, so we're going on the balloon ride.
Yes.
You excited, Nanny?
Yeah. You excited, Connor?
It's hot, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm holding tight. You ready?
Hold on tight and Do not lean out of your basket.
It's kind of like a ride at Drayton
fun,
Manor.
everyone.
You know, Harold the
Hello,
helicopter.
buddy! We're up in the sky and we're hiding under the umbrella. Coaster.
Look at view of the whole park. That splash pad looks amazing.
What a monster! Oh, I see mine. Well, we nearly at Peppa. Yeah, we used to go. Whoa, I can see. What are we doing for next, Mummy?
I don't know, so maybe we can keep looking and see what else is next.
I can see it.
There's lots of little like fairground spring toss, and there was little ducks over there. Super cute. Good job, Claire. Good job, Claire. Yeah. Go again, Els. Okay, so we're in, I think it was, yes, Granny Pig's garden. So there's lots of little rides, there's quite a lot of shade as well. There's swings and tunnels and a whole climbing frame. This is a really good play area, and it's nice because if you want to sit in the sun, you can do. If you want to get some shade, like I've just parked our stroller in the shade. This is just as you come in, and I mean there's so much to do just in this one little bit. It's definitely an easy place for lots of kids. So far, we've managed all the rides with the help of someone very kind. But from everything else I can see, they would be able to go on it anyway. So far, we've been in the park for about 40 minutes or so. And despite the ticket debacle at the beginning, which they were very helpful here, so, and no doubt I'll look on the website again today and be like, it's just me being an idiot. But, and I think the thing that Kristen's trying to do with like adding onto the pass is just a little bit more complicated. So it takes more than 2 minutes whilst I'm stood in line. But so far it's been great. It's been really easy. No lines on anything. So the kids are just having a good run around. We're gonna grab a bite to eat here at lunchtime, and then everyone's going on the splash pad at that point, so they can all get soaking wet, and then we can go home. So thankfully the house is literally 2 minutes down the road, so it's very easy to take them all home soaking wet. But if you have lots of kids, like I do today, all 4 of them, height does help, obviously, with some of the rides. There is height requirements on them. But if you have children that are over 42 inches like I do today, then it makes it really easy if you're a parent with them. You know, we've been able to go on everything. There's not been an issue so far as far as that kind of side of things, and most of the rides do seat like a large number of people, so that's easy if you're in twos and what have you can split everybody up. So it was a good idea so far. Hopefully it stays that way. Everyone's having a great time at the minute, so we'll just keep on having some fun. So we had a slight change of plan. Everyone was really hot that ride. So I've unleashed the kids on the splash pad, which is amazing. It has slides and like big dunk buckets, little bits of like water fountains. So we agreed that we'd just have however long they need here to cool down, and then we'll go grab some lunch, which is just across the way from where we are. And then we'll go do some rides after that. So we did just go into the restrooms here, which were huge, very clean, and they had tiny toilets for people who are small, which was super cute, and I thought really well thought through because this is very kid friendly. You also had a place where you could refill your water bottles. They had water fountains, so that's great, just refill all the kids' bottles. We all got changed in the restrooms, but there is actually changing areas on the splash pad, so that's also great. So your kids can come in their shorts and then change into their bathing suits, and off they go. They are literally, I can see them running around the background, they're having a blast. It is amazing. There is also a lifeguard on duty as well, which is great. Keeping an eye on the slide, making sure that everybody's okay. I think water just dunked on everybody. I'm so jealous. I wish I bought my bathing suit because I am so hot. and I would die to be in this right now. It looks like so much fun. So adults, bring your kids too, because it's a good one. Super cute little undercover area. There's different things for kids to play with as well, and it's all shady. And then we are sat having dinner, well, lunch. It's because I'm reading the word diner. There's my monsters. So we just finished eating. The food was actually really good. I had a chicken Caesar salad that was great. Two of the kids had PBJ boxes that came with like carrots and celery and ranch, and they each got fruit cups and apple juices. And then ours had a cheese pizza, which all of us ended up having some of. It's really good. And Sienna had a chicken salad sandwich. So everyone's happy and full. The kids are just playing on this indoor bit now. Then we're going to go, or covered bit I should say. Then we're going to go back to the splash pad for a bit. Plan of action is to do the boat ride, try and do the dinosaur ride. I'm just not sure whether the kids are big enough to go on without me. And then we're gonna do the cinema, we think, which is behind me. And go watch a little movie. And then we thought we might maybe do the roller coaster again. But so far, so good. Still all really easy with 4 of them and just me. So that's fantastic. So we're all just chilling out and enjoying everything. There's so much fun to do, so many like little activities. It really is like one of the most kid-friendly places that I have been. There is also a gift shop that I'm currently trying to avoid, but I have seen people coming out with like ice creams and snacks, so it might be a case of that we do that at the very end before we leave. It's like a little last treat for everybody for behaving, me included. But yeah, it sounds a little bit wild that I'm saying it's kid-friendly, because clearly Peppa Pig is completely for children. However, the amount of grown adults on the splash pad is, well, I'm just jealous of them at this point, to be honest. But you know, Disney is geared to kids, and there are still things that are difficult there, whereas they seem to have thought of pretty much everything here so far, which is great. Okay, we're hitting up the boat ride. The girls are on their own over there. Boat's done, and now we're in the sand pit, which is super cool. And the plan is to do the dinosaur adventure next. I'm just not sure on the height situation, so we're going to figure it out. So it's 1:30, we've been here since just after 10. We've done 1, 2, 3 rides. So we're doing 3 rides. The playground, the splash pad, now we're in the sand pit. There's one more ride that we haven't done. Oh, there's 2 rides we haven't done.
Roller coaster.
And we're going to do the roller coaster again. What do you think so far?
Good.
Yeah? Best bit so far?
Roller coaster.
The roller coaster is really good. It's good fun. But yeah, I think it's a really good place to bring kids, don't you? I'm really impressed. The staff have been great. Cast members, team members, however we're going to call them here. They've been really helpful and really pleasant and sweet. And my only criticism so far that I've had is that when we were in the restaurant, I went in on my own and ordered 2 PBJ boxes, a pizza, a chicken salad sandwich, a Caesar salad, drinks for everybody, and they didn't have any trays to put them on. So they did offer me a bag, and I was like, I'll be fine. So I balanced them out, and actually, as I walked out, went, it's pretty impressive. I spent how much in my hand. So I mean, trays would just be easier than a bag, I guess, but that is, I'd take that option. It's the only thing that I think has been a bit funky. Anything else? I don't know. Sienna is sitting the Santa out because she is like me in that she hates the feeling of sand on her feet, in between your toes. It's a phobia. I will go on a beach, but I just do not enjoy it at all. So if there's ever an opportunity to avoid it, that's what we're going to do, isn't it? No sand for us. We're good.
Look over here.
So there is.
Let me see that. Like where was it?
That's Connor. Hi, bud.
Hi, Connor.
Wow. Careful, don't slide.
Before you, buddy. All right.
Are you all here to meet Peppa? That's good. I'm Charlie, by the way. Give me a wave. Hello. Peppa and I have been looking for you all day. Hear us? Can you do that? Will you help me shout for Peppa?
Yeah.
Okay, after 3 then. 1, 2, 3.
Peppa!
You need to shout a little bit louder than that. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So we had lined up for the dinosaur ride, and the girls were way tall enough, but they needed to be 14 years of age to be able to accompany the boys. So the girls went on their own, and the boys were quite upset that they couldn't get on, and I was like, it's fine, we'll go on a different ride, don't worry. Anyway, one of the members of staff came after us and was like, I'll ride with one of the boys, I'll ride with one of the boys. So one of the guys took on Connor and I took Oliver one, which meant that the boys got to ride. So the staff have been insanely good here. They literally had just gone above and beyond to accommodate everyone. One of the ladies stopped me and said, we don't like crying, we don't like unhappy kids, so we do whatever we can to make that better, which was just exceptional. Considering that we had an experience at Disney this week where staff members weren't letting us in places and didn't care that the kids were upset. It was really a lot, it meant a lot. It was really good, and the ride was good fun.